Mabuhay! Magandang araw po sa ating lahat, lalo na sa mga co-employees ko sa company namin sa North Asia Central Manpower Services Incorporated. Once again, ako si Alexis Fernandez from Davao Branch. Of course, North Asia Central Manpower Services Incorporated. Guys, I am inviting to all the job seekers, especially to all the young generations, young people, or young adults. We need male applicants for utility to be assigned at National Bookstore, Siargao Island. And the other one is male utility to be assigned at National Bookstore, Cotabato City. And here in Davao City, kailangan ko rin ng kargador para sa Davao Fimos. Here in Davao City lang, kailangan ko rin ng packer and cashier sa Davao Fimos. Kailangan ko din ng service crew and beaker para sa Davao Famous Bakery. Kailangan ko ng office staff para sa Grantech International Incorporated. Ang office staff ko para sa Grantech International, guys, kailangan bachelor degree graduate. College graduate siya, as in 4 years, bachelor degree. Male and female, please submit your resume to us. Ang office namin located at Door 3, Mayrican Building, Daang Patnubay Street, Pisto, SIR, New Matina, Davao City. Para hindi kayo maligaw, harap lang kami sa Davao Central 911 main office. Thank you and God bless to all of us.